Maya, you're not a body. Me don't know how people sit down and take motivational speech from you when you're the back of service and leave your call center work to sit down on the app and beg. Me don't know what kind of decency that in you. When you leave your call center work, become beg and take one of the worst man on the app and think say people should respect. Is a girl baby father you take? Is a girl baby father you are balanced by your checkbook? Then come in and I hear say TJ send email. Then Martin did send me this and I hear say TJ. Then TJ come here. Come here TJ. Oh, you mean if you write email for fire people, for make people get fired from them job after you are Maya come on the app. We do not lie and no nastiness. After Maya walk and mind you. Eh? Why not go fire Maya mash mouth? Why not go fire Maya big hole? Eh? I want to know why not go fire Maya big crutches? Why not go write an email to Maya front? And that I want to know. Why not go write an email to Maya front? Suppose the girl never own her business. You see how TJ come like a big dirty batty man? Maya and TJ are two skunk. You know when you're driving a foreign and you smell the skunk, them stink like. I don't understand. Yeah, come and write email. It come like commissioner push it down good enough. See TJ and Maya two snake. Them remind me of Dolly and Image. A two snake them. Dolly and Image. Maya for remember say the internet book busser and maker. Maya the internet make you. Cause from you leave the call center work, you leave it to come sit down for live. Remember Maya, you leave your call center job to come sit down for live. It's a hustle and a makeup. And you go like you're hot girl. TJ Slay and Maya Tug Life. Yeah, when I write email pan the girl, suppose I never the girl business TJ. Anything you can get is a snake on the grass and Maya know that. Maya is a little snake. The two of coming like rat pies and dog shit. The two of Uno. Maya and TJ are rat pies and dog shit. Me not ask Uno. That is wickedness. For Uno sit on one side, plague the internet and with them people not go no one want. Uno go and report them. So people must always speak in a favor, don't? People must always speak in a favor. Maya, let me tell you this. And not today TJ send him old. Me have TJ cocking on my phone based on my gifters. When TJ go to New York, as him reach New York, he have to reach out to one of my gifters. Let me tell you that Maya, because and I make up story this. So if you a girl will sit on one side and think say you have a man and everybody man, even mine. If me want, I have to do this. You never hear the man say snap a finger girl roll with me. Come on lady T, come roll with me. Yeah. You go like you have a man, you go like TJ a portion and not me. Eat the girl them like big up garbage pan, you see. You go like TJ and not Maya, you there with a garbage pan because you are rubbish. You are rubbish. You there with a garbage pan. Me not ask you. So when you sit down on live and I go and like say people are it at you certain way. No, your man will bring you down. The same way world dog build whole heap of enemy pan Yannick. Cause Yannick not do the internet nothing, you know. Yannick not do the internet not really, you know. But you see a man give you a lot of enemies and at that TJ do you turn it in a fool, but you rather be at this and at that than be a mockers like whatever you want to say. You justify your careless Maya. Move Maya, you careless like your mash mouth. Move. You go like you're portion a girl. You go like you're portion. Who make you something who die and make you guys first? Your man are the doctor, you know. Your man take anything we pass and show kinds in him, and your man are the doctor. So stop go like you take your man out of BOJ, Bank of Jamaica. Your man are the doctor. Your man was a doctress. Yeah, you were a bottle service. Remember saying, a night dew and alcohol used to buy you to bed. Night dew and alcohol it buy you. Rock my baby on the tree. Your dream them did full of junking people. You not go like you not come from somewhere. You not go like you did have a career. You never yet have a career. So you make your man call people, yeah, people workplace to get them fire when you stay home and beg. Your man is out of order. Your man is rude. Oh, you mean man lawsuit after not me attack out of my mouth and a lie? Moya TJ come suck up my body wall. After not me attack and a lie, we have evidence for that, and Moya know. Moya know says not fair, man. Moya knows so the engagement is a sham. Moya know the engagement is a sham. The lady who TJ sent the email to her workplace, she should have sued TJ that much. She should have sued TJ. And she showed you can't depend my FYP with funky story and then you want to change them out. Moya came and said the cheating thing, she not deal with it. TJ una two undercover snake. People did the phone within the time of una wrongish. People did the phone. Don't make a stinking cocky man call a girl workplace or email a girl workplace. Moya, you're evil. Cause you know say TJ shame you openly. Where you sign up for Moya? Cause you walk a man TJ didn't have the money and you work overtime a man TJ and you come attack. Load the people a man go people got shot on the nastiness cause you not go like on the iconic. On the only iconic in a dog shit. Your man is a manure. Your man no want your Moya, your man want your things. That's why you have to argue. You see towards TJ was spend. And you lock off your purse on him if he disrespect you so openly again. And you are spend you're young and a mind, man. But could I never young and mind old man. TJ older than your Moya. So I don't know what kind of influence you are influence the public. TJ older than you and you are mine him. Cause TJ don't have it. TJ don't have it. Yeah? And you are mine him. But you might email the girl workplace. You see how them people are wicked and a snake on the grass? And Moya is a dirty girl in a car. You know you're dirty man. You're a dirty girl. Your man is a garbage pan. Move from here, sir. But are you going to be quiet? Are you're angry at him? You're angry at him. And you see, you spend your money, TJ, you just have to go with the motion. Like an ocean. Eh? Yeah. And somebody said with him big tongue. For sure. All una some dirty careless girl. Dirty careless girl. Moya, you're not a body. I don't know how people sit down and take motivational speech from you when you're at the back of service and leave your call center work to sit down on the app and beg. I don't know what kind of decency that in you. When you leave your call center work, become beg and take one of the worst man on the app and think say people should respect. Is a girl baby father you take? Is a girl baby father you are balanced by your checkbook? Me now ask you, a girl baby father and you're so young and claim to say you're ambitious, me that have to want to feel what it's like to feel happy-go-lucky. Yeah? So when you sit down and you want people to respect you, it's a dog shit. You are a dog doodoo. Yeah? You must be the third, I'm gonna be the third baby mother if him breed you. Yeah? Must you gonna be the third baby mother if him breed you. Oh, the third baby mother if him breed you. You sit down on the apple go like you're a portion of girl. You're not a portion of girl. You're not a portion of nobody. You don't have no self-worth. You sit down, you only have self-worth when it comes to people who you don't care about. Yeah, you can class and nasty them up, but you don't have no self-worth, big hole. You don't have no self-worth. Moya move your nastiness and way. You and your man favor Bonnie and Clyde, Sly and Robbie, Bobby and Whitney. Yeah. You and your man favor Andrew and Juliet. You don't have no self-worth. Not at all. Yeah, come up, but you see me? I rather to be and narrow down yourself. Is a careless girl under makeup. We don't only know for put up an image or a facade. Yeah. You have your man an email and you know say your man is a dog shit, Moya. It's not like you don't know. All of us long in a relationship I go like a news story. He did that? Oh my God, I can't believe it. He did that? You knew long ago that your man was a dog. Your man was a dog. And is a dog. I have your man cocky on my phone. Courtesy of my gifters. Courtesy of my gifters. Yeah. Tell him say a lie, me I tell. Make him tell me say a lie, me I tell. Maya, you're full of mate. You're ambitious girl. You're full of mate. You depend on the mate. You're full of mate. Your man little body come on. Now you alone lay down with him and you alone enjoy the pleasure. I bet you enough time in your thing go some of my gift as them just to get a bus off. And that if I talk about. So I'm very illiterate. When I see someone illiterate, right now, I'm going to make a video about Yanni kick him off for the phone bill. Then if you are paid 23,000 in a bill, who you paying those bills to? Or for? Because if you get kicked off a phone bill and it affect you, then who did pay bills? So then I never you did pay the bills. A lot of lies in your statement. That's why Yanni can't bother cause. I'm going to get my regular this. I'm going to get my that. I'm going to get... Well, dog, me not lie if I massage with shit. And these are the stuff them females that jump up on the table. Ooh, Yannick a wicked girl too. Yannick a sex pan world dog. I would. World dog has a pattern. Most men do. Most men have a pattern in seeking a relationship and dismissing a relationship. Most men have a pattern of seeking and dismissing. They do. Most men have a pickup line or a pickup attitude. Most men do. They got a profile that they use as their safe zone in getting attention from them people who them want. Most men do. Well, dog has no excuse. He just not want to take accountability for mashing up the home. He doesn't. And then you go come call the girl Florida Mattress, Mr. Bean, and all the names that we call her on the outside because of you. You say you will defend Yannick till the day you die. These are your words, not mine. These are your words. Now you feel it to your heart, soul, and body all. Or the internet came out for the woman where you introduce and you try flap. Guess him die. That's true. For real. Una not make no sense on the app. All of una groupie. Well, he did die blue pill. It's true, literally. Yeah. To all world dog shame him try to do everything fit seem funny. And world dog realize that him just kill himself more because no one find him funny. Nobody found world dog funny. The amount of video we make and the things that we might try to and him feel it in him heart, you know. You know, so him feel it in him heart though. Me say, when me look on him video, see me, boring as ever. And this is always him, always boring. You never know, gone are the days. Yeah, Gigi, me say, he's so ashamed, it's not even funny. Nothing about them not funny. And when we used to talk, thank you Tashana, when we used to talk, oh, them not funny. No loud voice, no big speech, nothing at all. World that people see as a lie. You're a scrub. You're a scrub, not the one them with the people them wear. You're a scrub. Not the way I say what I'm not funny. And that is just the truth. It best you quit and go look a job. This ain't working out. You're my TLC scrub. It's true. You cannot fight females. Let me tell you something. You cannot come up against females. Because if the females them lock them leg, no more male not there from a back door. You never know. So me don't know how you are going like how you bring forth your child world. You are going like you're a bigger woman than Yannick. Eh? We always hear about little miss. Appear little miss we hear, but we never hear about a big miss. A little miss. Everybody is a little miss. We never hear about a big miss. And that a beat your body. Yeah. So when you walk and lead about ex-gang until the day I die, you know, see spontaneity over there shoot out Yannick blow out. How you lose your big gifters? How you lose all your big gifters? You're going down. You're going down. That this goes to show that people did only like Yannick because of you. People only cuss Yannick because of you. But here, Yannick grandchildren now own now people like her for being who she is now. People support her for the way you treat her. You think you're gonna treat the girl so, and the whole of us gonna laugh and say, well, that's not easy, you know, a good for Yannick, no. Because if we support you, we will mash up another girl's future.